How to hard reset an Emerson thermostat. Now, this specific thermostat is a 1F83C-11NP, but this will work on a lot of similar Emerson thermostats. You're just going to need a backlight button and a menu button on it. You're going to want to do this if your thermostat is frozen or not responding, or if the heat's not coming on, the cool's not coming on, it doesn't seem to be communicating with your heating system, all that kind of stuff. It might be just that the thermostat is frozen and needs to be reset. So we can go ahead and just force it to reset quite easily on here. What we're going to do is we're going to find this menu button here. And then on the top of the thermostat, there is a backlight button that turns the backlight on the screen on and off. What you need to do is press and hold the menu and the backlight buttons simultaneously until everything will automatically turn off. After several seconds of holding those together, it will go ahead and boot back up, and then hopefully your issue will be fixed. By the way, this is a great, simple, no-nonsense thermostat, and if you want to get one, I'll put a link in the description below.